This is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, I got a good one for you. I got a 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. This is a 138 true super sport car, finished in beautiful white with black interior. It's got the rally wheels on it with the BFGoodRich tires. It's got the 396 with factory air conditioning on this car right here. Factory air, and it's got the 4-speed and the 12-bolt. Like I said, it is a 138 true super sport car. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take a look at this 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Like I said, this car is absolutely gorgeous. Finished in that beautiful white with that black interior. And doesn't get much nicer than this car right here. We'll take a look at it. First, we'll take a look at the passenger side of the interior. All the interior is finished in excellent condition. No rips or tears in the seats. Really, really nice. Dash pad looks good. Has a brand new Hurst 4-speed shifter. That is brand new, just put in the car. Nice radio that works great. It's got the gauges in the dash. I'll show you when we go around to the driver's side. But really, really nice and clean. Back seat as well. Looks good. All the headliners in great shape. No rips or tears. Grab the keys here so we can take a look inside the trunk. Show you the bottom of the doors here. All looking good. Really, really nice and clean. So shut the door. We'll take a look inside the trunk. Inside the trunk, like I said, has got a nice splatter paint. Really nice and clean inside the trunk. It's got spare tire, jack equipment. Really, really looks good. Underneath looks as good as well. Splatter painted all underneath the mat. Like I said, looks good. It's got the stickers. So, shut this. We're going to start it up and see how it sounds. Really sounds good. Just a really, really sweet car. Let me cut it off here. Take a look at the driver's side of the interior here. Like I said, it does have the gauges in the dash. Really, really nice and clean there. It's got a brand new Hurst 4-speed shifter. Back seat looks good. Headliner's in great shape. All the doors look good. It's really, really nice and clean. We'll take a look underneath the hood. Underneath the hood, like I said, it's powered by the 396, power steering, power disc brakes. It's got factory air conditioning on this car, all updated to 134A. It's all been updated, and it's good. So we'll shut the hood here and take one more quick look at the 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. And we're going to take the Chevelle out for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle SS for a test drive. See how it does. Got the gauges all working. New Hurst 4-speed shifter. Got the white paint on the outside, and we're going to take it for a ride on this 138 True Super Sport 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. See how it does. 396, 4-speed, 12-bolt. Got a little bit of traffic coming. As soon as it clears out, we'll be ready to go. It does have a nice radio in this car. It does work. Unfortunately, due to YouTube's copyright purposes, I can't show you the radio working, but if you'd like to see a video of the radio working, just let me know. I'll be glad to get that for you. But we're going to go for a drive and see how it does. Right, got, like I said, a little bit of traffic coming. They opened up the floodgates on us today, but as soon as they're finished, we'll be ready to go. Here we go. great. Shifts through all the gears the right way. Really just an excellent running, driving car.
Yeah, it drives really nice.
Yeah.
Quiet car. Sounds great.
Really does.
Goes on down the road nice.
So, no rattles or shake. Shifts through all the gears the right way. Really just an excellent running, driving car. All the gauges are working. It's really, really nice. But we're gonna turn around and head back here. And like we do every time, I'm gonna have Dad get on it just a little bit. I'm gonna see what this Chevelle's made of. Does great. Shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running, driving car. We are almost back here. And like I say every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. On our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to show you what this car looks like underneath, and here's that underneath video.